Hello, I'm YouTube Director NoStarPanel. YouTube Director BZCAPMOOR published this video and asked if this image was Planet X or Nibiru in the constellation of Orion. As we look at this image, our attention is focused clearly on the colors. There are reds, greens, and blues, all on the same background of gold or bronze. If we take a closer look at BZCAPMOOR's description, we can clearly see that BZCAPMOOR tells us that he has color enhanced this video. 2 minutes into the video, we see the naked construct that BZCAPMOOR used to begin the video, completely colorless. With this evidence in hand, we have no choice but to declare BZCAPMOOR's image as disinformation with regards to Planet X and Nibiru. Now let's look a little closer at his discovery. When we take the construct without any colors on it that BZCAPMOOR used, we have to ask ourselves, where did this image come from? As we look closer at his description, he says that he acquired this image by using the program Google Sky. Let's go to www.google.com/sky and load the coordinates and see if we can find BZCAPMOOR's image. In Google Sky, we can only zoom in so far before we throw an error that says we have zoomed too close and must back out. As we zoom out, the image that we see is far too small to give us the resolution that BZCAPMOOR used. So we have to ask ourselves, where did BZCAPMOOR get this image? Perhaps he meant he used Google Earth with a sky view. Let's go see. Hold down our View menu and select Sky. Enter our coordinates and we'll be zoomed away to an image in space that is amazingly similar to the one that BZCAPMOOR used to do his video. Now that we are aware of where BZCAPMOOR got his image to build his construct, let's look at it through some other astronomy programs. Microsoft's Worldwide Telescope. Put in our coordinates and zoom in. In the visible light spectrum, we see a brown, dusty cloud of dust and rock. In the infrared spectrum, there does not appear to be any signatures. The X-ray spectrum is totally void of any anomalies. And in the alpha spectrum, we see nothing to report. So it is clear that BZCAPMOOR's image is seen only in the visible light spectrum. Now let's go to www.wikisky.org, put in our coordinates, and zoom into the same object. In the visible light spectrum, it's quite clear that it's still a dusty brown object. In infrared, nothing to report. In the X-ray spectrum, nothing to report. And again in the alpha spectrum, all is clear. So what have we learned in our investigation? First, we know that we can only see this object in the visible light spectrum. It does not appear in infrared, X-ray, or alpha spectrums. Therefore, we'd have to declare that this is not Nibiru, and the colorized version of this object was indeed false. You may download this video to your YouTube channel, your website, or your iPod. Share it with your family and friends.